Hey everyone, 4 Acre Farm here. This is a little follow-up video to my simple wood gas stove video that I did. This time I'm gonna see how fast I can boil 2 cups of water on this thing. So without further ado, I'm gonna light her up. Don't you just love these trusty paper matches? Well, hey, they work. Most of the time. Well, if you're anything like me, you like to watch a fire burn, so I'll leave the camera on here for a minute. You've probably noticed that I like to play with fire. Okay, looks like that fire is ready to use. I've got this thing here you guys have seen around here before. I don't know what it was used for, and I've had it for so many years I don't even remember where I got it, but it works pretty good for doing something like this. I got another cast iron pot that I put on there and just built a fire underneath of it. Cooked up some pretty good beef stews and such. So, well, that's not going to be too stable. So. It's alright, we'll put that on there. Got all kinds of junk, don't I? Okay, we're going to put a timer on, also known as my watch. Now that's 2 cups of cold tap water in there. We'll see how long that takes. What I'm using for wood is just some pieces of scrap lumber. The ends I cut off boards when I square them up. We're at just 5 minutes, and that water is a-boiling. So that didn't take too long. That about wraps it up. I'll see you next time I see you.